Welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at a Winchester 1886. This rifle, we believe, was manufactured in 1894, so a pretty early one. This thing is also in 4590, so definitely used for big game. And this thing is in very nice condition considering that it's 130 years old. However, we do have some marks and scratches on the back of the stock and at the bottom here. This will be on our website, so it's worth taking a look at. And we are, at this time, working on getting a letter from the museum in Cody, Wyoming. Buffalo Cody Museum. Everything functions fantastic. If you have any questions about this rifle or anything else, you can find us at D4 Guns. Also, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can see videos like this as we post every week.